Hi guys, it's Miss Lyons, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download a creative font to use in your InDesign pages. I know we just started InDesign, and this is going to be a really short video. And what you're going to do today is learn how to download a font and put it in InDesign and send it to me, and that's it. So please go back and watch this video as many times as you need to. Please watch this video first in its entirety so that way you can kind of have an idea of what you need to do before you actually go and do it. I promise it'll be easier if you just watch it first. So the first thing you're going to do is open Chrome. So you're going to go to Chrome, not Firefox, Chrome, open it up, and then you're going to go to dafont.com, and it's DAFONT.com. All right, so this is our fonts website. It's amazing. There are thousands and thousands of fonts on here to choose from. You have all of these different options. If you scroll down and look there, these are some of just the most popular ones recently added. So here's what you're going to do. You're going to look around. I want you today, after you kind of submit your one to me, is just go on here and look at some of these fonts. Now, the only thing is you cannot download just any font. See over here where this says 100% free, you can only download fonts that are 100% free. This is because when you would say maybe accidentally download one that isn't 100% free, I mean, you don't have to import your information or anything, but you just need to make sure that even the ones that say free for personal use, let's say you used one of those in your InDesign file for the newspaper. When we send this to the printing company, if it is free for personal use but not 100% free, it's actually an embedded code and will prevent the printers from printing our paper. We learned that the hard way last year. So what you need to do to sort these so that it automatically doesn't happen for you and you don't really have to worry about it, we're going to go into some more options just like we do for our file search on Google. So go to more options right here. You're going to click and you're going to make sure 100% free is checked. And now you will only get 100% free fonts. So I'm going to, just for the sake of this, I'm just going to go to horror since Halloween is coming up soon. So here is horror, and I'm just going to pick, these are a little weird. I'm just going to go to here, fire and ice, let's see. Okay, pepperoni pizza. Here we go. So once you pick your font that you want, which again, you're going to go after you're done watching the video, you're going to pick one that you like that is 100% free. These all say free for personal use. This one's 100% free. Snow top caps. Here we go. Download. You're going to click the download button and you're going to see it's going to come and download your bottom left corner. So it is all done. I am going to double click it. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm going to go into my spotlight search on the top right hand corner, which is the magnifying glass, and I'm going to search Snow Top Caps, which is the name of my font, and it will pop up under your downloads. Give my computer a minute. It is not feeling well. Let's see here. Come on, computer. If you can't find it, there it is, all your files. It's always going to be in your downloads, so you just need to go to your Finder, and you can search in here. I'm going to show you. I'm going to pretend like I don't see it right here. I see it, but if you do not, you just type in Snow Top, and here you see it under all your files. So all you're going to do is you're going to click on the zipped folder, because it will be a zipped folder. It's going to have a little zipper. You're going to click on it, and then you're going to see it's going to unzip, and then in your downloads, hopefully yours do not look like mine. I have a lot of downloads and I need to clean it up. Not a very good example, but I'm going to search for it again. Snow, here we go. And you will find folder, Snow Caps, I believe it was called. Oh, Snow Top Caps, there we go. There it is. Looks like we might have to unzip it again. All right, here it is. So if you look down here, you'll see it. Once you unzip your file, you'll see your font right here. It'll pop back open. So now I'm going to double click this again, this no top caps. Here we go, double click, and then here you go. Here's your font. You're going to see a separate smaller box come open, and you are going to click Install Font. But before you do, make sure InDesign is not open because you won't see it if it is open. So make sure it is closed. And again, to remind you if a program is open, you will see a dot underneath the icon. So I don't even see InDesign at all, so we're good. So I'm going to click Install. And we'll wait for a second, counting fonts. Don't mind pepperoni pizza. I have that on there from something else. Pepperoni pizza is a good one. But all right, so there it is. Snow top caps. We're good. We have that in our fonts now. So we're going to X out of this. We don't need it anymore. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need this. We do not need this. So I'm going to go and now open InDesign. So again, you can go to your Spotlight search, or you can go to your applications. So my InDesign is opening, it's loading, it's bouncing, so be patient with yours if it takes a second to load. So while this is loading, I'm just going to run you through the process again. Make sure you're using Chrome. Go to www.dafont.com, that's DAFONT. You want to make sure you are getting 100% free fonts. You will download it, and then you will go into your downloads folder and open the zipped file. Double click on the font, and if you have options, you want to make sure you click on the font that says TTF extension, and then you will install it, and then you're going to have your InDesign open up, and then as soon as this opens, I will show you what to do from there. So you're going to pick a font today, put it in InDesign, and then basically just send it to me on Google Classroom. So that way I know that you know how to set up a page in InDesign, which you have your tutorial packets that I gave you in class, and you also know how to download a font, because you can use these fonts for the newspaper, you can use them for the creative resume project we're going to be doing this week, and just for other things throughout the year. So again, be patient with your InDesign if yours is as slow as mine. Sometimes they just take a minute to load. It's going slowly but surely. I think it's almost done here. And again, yours might look a little bit different than mine. Mine's a 2015 version. Thanks for being patient, guys. All right, the wheel is gone. That is a good sign. Here we go. Okay, so reminders. How to set up a page for newspaper. Okay, not for everything that we'll do this year, but for newspapers. And that's what we're going to be doing, and that's what I want you to send to me today. So you're going to go. If you might get a box that says the choice to just open a new document right then and there, but if you do not, you're going to have to go in yourself, and you're going to go to File, New Document as soon as your wheel is done spinning. So I'm just going to wait. I'm not going to click on it, because if you click on it and it's not done, then it will crash. So now it's done. I can click on File, New Document. And just a reminder, we want tabloid, 4 columns. And there we go. We can set up. Hit OK when you're done. And there it is, our beautiful layout. Okay, so just a reminder for a text box, we want the box with the X in it over to the left, the rectangle frame tool. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to draw a nice big box from column to column. So again, make sure that, see how my lines are right on the column so I can stay nice and even. So I'm now going to go to the type tool, and I'm going to type my name, so please type your name. Okay, it's really small. So I'm going to Command A to select all. To highlight my font, I'm going to make it bigger so I can see it. I'm just going to make it like 80. Let's see, I could probably still make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so now up here, this is your font size. That's how I just made it bigger. And I am also going to change my font. So if you do not see this on your computer, this is your font. You can do two things. You can go on the right over here and click on Paragraph, and it'll show up. Character, okay? Or you can go to your window and make sure that you have your tools turned on. If you still need help, ask a friend. They might be able to help you while I'm not there. But I believe that you guys got this. So I'm going to go, right now it's on Minion Pro, and look for your recently downloaded font. So it's called like Snow Caps something. So I'm going to go to my S. There it is, Snow Top Caps. Beautiful. There it is, guys. There's my font. So now I just need you to send it to me. Literally, draw a text box with your name and your new downloaded font. So then when you're all done, you're going to go to File, Export, okay, and you are going to name it font, last name, underscore, last name, Lions. Where? Make sure you save it in your flash drive. Always save in your flash drive. And then format, PDF. Make sure it is in PDF. And again, that was File, Export. Hit Save. This lovely little box is going to pop up. And then you are going to click on Export. And it's going to export. That's it. And what you're going to do, it should be in your flash drive. Okay. You're going to X out of InDesign. Uh-oh, if you get this box, that just means that it's saving and it can't close InDesign until it saves. There we go. It's going to ask you if you would like to save your project file. You don't need to, so you can just hit Don't Save because you already created a PDF. And then once you're done, head on to right where you saw this video. It's going to be an assignment in Google Classroom, and you're going to attach your PDF just like you did your Photoshop documents, your Photoshop dogs and zebras. All right. If you have any questions or something just was absolutely not working, do not panic. I understand computer troubles, but you guys should be able to do this no problem. But like I said, if there is some sort of really big problem you guys are having, just send me an email and we'll take care of it tomorrow. All right. Good luck. Can't wait to see your fonts.